Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Ever noticed how elements can sometimes drift apart or crash into each other when you resize your screen? We're going to fix that by using stacking. By the way, a stack is a Flexbox-based container that groups elements together in either a vertical or horizontal line. So when you stack items, they are aware of each other. If one grows, the others move out of the way to make room for it. So to create a stack, simply click on the first element, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and then continue selecting all the other elements you'd like to stack together. Once you finish selecting all the elements you'd like to stack, you should see this floating menu appear with the option Stack. So click on Stack. And you can select whether you'd like it to be stacked vertically or horizontally through the drop down here. It's as easy as that. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.